busy railways of Sodor. There are many types of hard-working engines, and they all want to be really useful. But sometimes, new engines are called in to help with special jobs. Engines such as Dustin, who is a snow-plowing engine. Dustin is a large engine with a giant blade, a bit like Hugo's. He's got wheels like Marion and a tender like Gordon's. Dustin is also a steamy, just like Thomas. He's a really useful engine and very helpful in the snow. Although Dustin's work might be a bit cold, he has a heart as warm as his firebox. Welcome to Sodor, Dustin.